Good afternoon. Excited? Today we're doing a Harry Potter set after the massive The Burrow series, which was, I believe, 14 episodes in total and almost a dozen hours of recording and amazing building time in total. Today we're building Buckbeak themselves. From Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban, so the third episode from the movies and the third edition of the books. First things first, let's take a quick look at the box as usual. Top left we have LEGO icon, Harry Potter icon, Wizarding World branding, SKU or serial number 76427, Buckbeak, trademarked of course, ages 9 and up. And front and center we have Buckbeak, him or herself, I'm not sure, Buckbeak themselves with their glorious wings, build, legs, calves, chest and back area, head, beak of course, feet, toenails even. In the background we have the hut of Hagrid. We have some pumpkins, some vegetation, a crow as well, I believe. We have Ronald Weasley, Hermione Granger, and Harry Potter themselves performing some magic, of course. On this side of the box, we have Buckbeak with their wings spread wide and apart. And on the back, we have Buckbeak chilling in front of or behind the hut, along with said pumpkins and the crow. And we have the dimensions displayed 17.5 inches of total, what's it called? Total wing spread or wing width, I'm not sure, as well as 9.5 inches or 25 centimeters of length, beak to tail to wing. So with that, let's jump right into it. I don't know what the exact brick count is in this set, but I believe it's above 700 bricks. So the Burrow set was 2,400, 2,500 roughly bricks, and it took 12 episodes. This is roughly third of the brick count, so this is probably going to be a 3 to 5 hour recording series, and let's see how far we get in today's video. But happy to jump in. Finally, I got this set from my girlfriend for last Christmas. It's August right now, so this has been waiting in the cupboard for 8 months almost. Push tabs, 2 of them. Let's open up the box and see what we have. Attempting gentle opening of the box. Indeed. And it's got some weight for sure. Giving you all a quick peek into the contents of the box. Nice paper packs therein, no plastic packs this time around. LEGO has some sustainability initiatives to transform all of their plastic packaging and gravitate towards paper packs instead. Nice one. Pack emptiness confirmed. Putting this aside, and we have pack number 6. Pack number 5, pack number 3, we're first, pack number 4, we're going in reverse, pack number 3, pack number 2, magical number pack number 7, and finally, pack number 1. 7 packs in total, magical recurring Harry Potter number, 7 years of school, 7 Deathly Hallows, Horcruxes, sorry. A very frequently used number in the series. So this might not be a coincidence. It might be the 7 packs in total. We're going to go pack by pack, of course. So I'm going to put aside packs 2 to 6. Let those wait on the table. And of course we have the booklet / instruction manual, and look, it's got some nice width to it. SKU number 76427, Wizarding World branding, Harry Potter logo, classic, and it's a big book too. Nice fresh off the print paper smell. And in total we have, let's see, 255 steps. Let's go. Pack number 1, going in. Quick preview of the contents of the pack, and I'm going to lay out the bricks for optimal viewability for you guys. Oops. Last brick. Pack emptiness confirmed. And as usual, as oftentimes, we have a smaller sub-pack, a mini pack of the smaller bricks included therein as well. Plastic packaging this time around. Let's open up that as well. I've had a sort of hiatus in my Lego building and recording life, unfortunately, in the past 2 months. This is the second video after my return, and I'm so excited. It's such a joy to play Lego and to create something out of thin air. See, I'm attempting to put, it's gonna be, we might do a left and right setup instead, I believe, yeah. Because the booklet is kind of tall, so I want to make sure that everything is visible. The bricks, spreading those out properly, and the booklet too. This way, let's see. Okay. Yeah, that should work. That's going to be better versus top and bottom distribution or arrangement of the pieces. Okay. You should see everything that I can see. Indeed. So let's start. Brick Remover 3000, super practical and useful tool. Pack number 1 is opened. We're going to start with this rounded off 6x6 nice and green plate. We're going to add to that this 2x4 classic light gray brick, like so. Perfect. We start expanding our build. Just checking if I can fix this in its place so it doesn't move as much. Yeah, that should work. Okay. So 2x4 light gray, then the identical twin of the previously mentioned green plate once again on the other side. And we start layering our build by adding these 6 bricks. We're going to start with this infinity shaped brownish greenish 1x2, 2 of them as well, like so. We're also going to add 2 darker gray 1x2 bricks, as well as 2 of these dark gray 2x2 round bricks with the cross-shaped hole at the middle. And it's literally so nice to hold Lego once again in my hands. I was looking forward to Lego in general, but this set as well. We'll continue layering our build with 2 of these 2x6 greenish, brownish, unique colored, navy colored plates. Twins as well, like so. We're going to add the next level of bricks using a similar brick set. Gray 1x2, infinity shaped 1x2, brownish greenish, and then 2x4 light gray brick, like so. We're gonna complete the other side as well, starting with this 2x2 light gray brick, followed by 2 brownish greenish infinity shaped bricks 1x2, and to the middle we add this 2x2 round circle shaped with the cross shaped hole of the dark gray color. And we'll repeat layering our build. Oops. We add 2 more 2x6 navy plates. And I've talked about but it's nice to remember the distinction between plates and bricks. Plates are sort of one-dimensional, so they're flat. They have the studs atop, but they're flat. Bricks have more height to them, more dimension to them, so that's the distinction. And the third category we have are, I'm not sure if there is one right here, are tiles. Now tiles are almost the same as plates, height-wise, so quite flat, but tiles don't have studs they're on, so completely smooth upper surface area. Bricks, plates, and tiles. Next up, we start adding some detail and vegetation, starting with 2 of these semi-oval gray bricks, there and there, followed by 4 plant leaves, 1 leaf, rotate it outside so the rest fit as well. Perfect. 2 leaves, 3 leaves, and finally 4 leaves. Perfect. We're also going to add 2 of these unique, they look like seahorses, but they're vegetation as well, to the core of the plants. Interesting. One goes in there, and then the other one goes in there. Perfect. We keep on layering our build, this wall, 2x4, gray brick, light gray, infinity shaped, navy colored, brownish brick, 2x2, round shaped, cross shaped hold, gray brick, and finally, this unique double sloped yet angular 2x2 brick to the corner, like so. Perfect. We continue adding those layers, 2x6 plate and the 2x2. I call them diamonds, diamond shaped plates. Nice green color too. We're also going to add to the left its twin, the diamond's twin, like so, as well as this 1x2 plate with the attachment thereon. We keep increasing the height. First we add, now they're triplets, the third one of these diamond shaped plates, like so, as well as, actually quadruplets now. I'm going to start to run out of twin words to describe. Still have quadruplets, right? So that's one more, as well as two more of these double sloped 2x2 dark gray bits, bricks rather, but bits too. And as usual, we have a progress bar, a practical progress bar at the bottom of the booklet, representing where we are at. So the end is going to be the full build completed. Right now we're at around 7% of the build. And we keep on adding some gray bricks. Double sloped gray brick first. And then 1x2 gray plate with the attachment piece. And then two of these oval, semi-oval gray tiles. Perfect. Step 15 is going to be the first mini sub-build within this box. But first, I'm just going to sip a quick sip of coconut water. Which is an amazing non-alcoholic fresh beverage, coconut water from young coconut, sterilized product. Amazing and nicely sweet. From Lidl. We're going to start the first sub-build. Nice dark gray 2x2 circular plate with the cross-shaped hole thereon. 2x2 vertical brick with the vertical studs attached on top. To the opposite side, its twin, also white in color. Atop we add this 2x2 plate with the central stud. We're also going to add 8 of these triangular shaped smooth top bricks. That's 1. That's 2. That's 3. And 4. And 5. And 6. And 7. And 8. Perfect. Let's see if I missed anything. At top we're going to add the leaf. Oh, this is one of the vegetables. It's not a pumpkin because it's not orange, but and look, once again, my favorite thing about Lego. You've got these You've got these super simple bricks, nothing fancy, nothing special, small bricks, recurring frequently used bricks that we see a lot, yet the end product is so representative of what it's displaying, in this case, the pumpkin's cousin, whatever it's called, a vegetable, a deliciously big vegetable, that is good to look at. And again, 2 minutes, simple bricks, done. Next up, we have the pumpkin itself. Same building structure, I believe, but different colors. 2x2 circular plate with the cross-shaped hole therein. 2x2 vertical brick with the vertical studs attached. Then orange plate with the central stud thereon. Then we have the 8 nice, fresh, carroty orange triangular bricks. That's 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7, and finally number 8. We're going to add the vegetation atop, the leaves, the refreshingly green leaves. So I might have mixed up the colors for the other, see? Both are supposed to be, I believe, the navy color instead of the gray one, the silver one. So I'm going to change this as well for the other plant. Switch that out. Perfect. And we're going to add the pumpkin too. Look at that. The pumpkin is on. Nice. So nice to hold in your hands. Next up we have step 17, some black bricks. 1x2 brick with the vertical studs. Underneath we add this black dot. We also add 2 gray semi-ovals to the sides, as well as the eyes. Oh, this is going to be the crown. Eyes are done. Underneath we add the 1x2 plate with the attachment piece, like so. And then the 1x1 washing machine, I tend to call these, with the vertical stud, kind of representing a washing machine. Perfect. We're also going to add 2 of these sloped trapezoid shaped plates. Just checking the orientation. That should be fine. That's 1. And that is 2. And at top we're going to add this 1x4 tile. Again, tile as in completely smooth upper surface area. And to the front we're going to add the mini black triangle, like so. And finally, it's time for the beak. Look at that. Push that in fully. And look, once again, we're going to join the crowd to the platform with the hopefully satisfying click. Nice. And once again, how simple are the bricks, yet how complex and perfectly representative is the outcome. And this is special for every LEGO set, but it's especially special for Harry Potter sets because I just feel being close to Hagrid's hut in the Prisoner of Azkaban scenes where they were using the time saver or whatever it was called. But a vegetation garden with the crow done. Amazing. Pack number 1's complete, and as usual, we have some remaining extra bricks, plates, and tiles, which we're gonna place in the box. And with that, pack number 2. Oh, it's a big pack too. Going in. I'm just going to free up some space right there. Put that aside. And then, trying to ensure optimal viewability for you guys. Pack emptiness confirmed. And this time around, the smaller pack is a paper pack. Interesting. Open that up as well. Containing the smaller bricks and components. Oops, 2 more. Mini pack emptiness confirmed. A quick sip of coconut water. Always delicious. Spread these around a bit. Look at those colors though. Light gray, dark gray, white, red, and black. And this interesting bluish grayish tint. Very nice, unique color, if you ask me. Pack number 2, step number 1. 2x12 plate, light gray. At the top, we're gonna add this rounded off and staircase shaped 1x4 brick, like so. We're gonna add its twin as well to the other side. Right there. We're also going to add a 2x2 plate of the same light gray color. Perfect. We start layering our build. We're going to add this 2x3 bluish, grayish, interestingly tinted colored plate. And a 1x2 plate of the same color as well. Perfect. We're also going to add the classic 2x4 brick, light gray color, as well as 2 of these black washing machines, 1x1 bricks, opposing each other back to back, like so. To the end, we're going to add this sloped trapezoid shaped 2x2 light gray brick, as well as 4 of these vertical 2x2 bricks with the vertical studs attached. That's 2. That is 3. And finally, we have number 4. Perfect. We keep on layering the build at the left end as well. 2x3 bluish grayish plate. 2x2 light gray plate. We start adding height to the left as well. 1x2 beigeish yellowish brick with the vertical studs. And perpendicular, we're going to add 2 of these classic white, crisp, clean 1x4 bricks. Perfect. Next up we have a 2x2 plate, same gray color, as well as 2 of these relatively massive 1x10 bricks as well. Starting at the 4th stud position, leaving 3 free right there. 1 to the left, 1 to the right. We're also going to add, we have a mini sub build highlighted by the white rectangular area. In most of the booklets, in some of the booklets, let's say, the mini sub builds are highlighted by yellow. This time around, it's a white rectangle or square rather. We're going to start with the recurring 2x2 gray plate. A top. Look, one of my favorite bricks ever. The oval 1x2 plate. There's something about these bricks. They're so humble, rounded off, perfect, cozy. The 1x2 oval plate is one of my all-time favorite bricks. We have some white ones here. Twins as well. The top, we're going to add 2 of these very unique 1x2 bricks with the large circle cutout. We're going to add those atop, 2 of them. Perfect. We're going to join this structure to the pre-existing one, like so. To the end of the build, we're going to add this dark gray 2.5 by 2 vertical brick as well. Perfect. To the back of the build, we're going to add 2 more of these unique red 1x2 bricks with the circle shaped large cutout. To the very end, we're going to add this mini structure consisting of this 1x2 bluish grayish plate. And atop, we're going to add this 1x2 white infinity shaped brick as well. Perfect. We keep on expanding the height of our build. We're going to start with a 2x3 of the bluish and grayish tint, a plate as well. Then a 1x2 plate of the same color. And finally, look, a 2x2 brick with the cross-shaped hole and the ball attachment. Nice. Quick sip of coconut water, of course. Mini sub build time. once again. Humble 2x4 light gray color. The top 1x4 with the circular holes, the pinholes, 2 of them as well, opposing each other. We're going to hug that around with this interesting Z or Z shaped brick, very unique. 2 times, same light gray color. We're going to add that mini sub build to the OG build. Push that in. Perfect. We keep on layering our build. Did I miss a step or a page? Indeed I have. Step 17, we're going to add this 1x2 infinity shaped brick, as well as the 2x4 recurring classic gray color. Then we're going to add 2 of these 1x4 bricks with the pinholes, or the circular holes rather, thereon. That's 1. And that is 2. As well as this 2x2 light gray brick. Perfect. We're going to top that off with, with this 2x2 plate, light gray color. Next up we have 2 rounded off bricks. One of them is a 3-way staircase, I tend to call them. Light gray, push that in, as well as a 2x2 rounded off. Push that in as well. Perpendicular to those, we're going to add 2 1x8 light gray plates. Twins. We're also going to add to the end a 1x2 plate of the nice bluish grayish tint, as well as this light gray semicircle right there, and between those two, these interesting slipper shaped 1x3 bricks. 1 and 2. Perfect. For step 24, we have a mini sub build once again. We're going to start with this light gray 2x2 plate, our favorite 1x2 white oval plate as well, 2 of them too. Then 2 black 1x1 washing machines atop. Then we have 2 of these double washing machines as of 2 vertical studs thereon on the 1x1 white brick. A very unique brick as well. And we're going to add that structure to the end of our build. Push that in. Perfect. Next up, we're going to add 2 of these traffic lights, I tend to call them, or speakers, 2x1 vertical bricks, light gray color as well, like so. And atop, we're going to add 2 1x2 bluish grayish sloped bricks. Oops. Like so. Perfect. we'll keep adding detail to the back of our build. We're going to stack atop of each other two of these 2x2 vertical bricks with the vertical studs attached. And we're going to top those off with these unique slipper shaped bricks too. Same light gray color. Perfect. For step 29, we're going to add this 1x2 plate with the claw or the nail attachment thereon. Like so. For step 30, we're going to start a mini sub-build once again. Sorry about the wobble. Mini sub-build. Started by a 2x8 white plate, then a 2x2 brick with the cross-shaped hole and the attachment piece, then a unique Z-shaped brick, same white color, push that in. Then we have two black 1x1 washing machines. That's two. Behind those, we're going to add three of these infinity or 8-shaped 1x2 white bricks. That's one. That's two. That's three. For the next mini sub build, we have a 1x2 bluish grayish plate with the claw shaped plate atop. We're going to add another 1x2 bluish grayish plate underneath. We're going to join those to the end of our build like so. We're also going to add some additional layers, one more claw shaped brick. Push that in, as well as some details to the back. These trapezoid shaped 1x2 plates. Nice. For step 37, we have yet another mini sub build. 2x4 plate, white. 2x2 rounded off plate. Top, then four of these quarter circles added. That's one. Just checking the orientation. That is two. There we have number three, and finally number four. We're going to add that mini sub build to the top of our build. Push that in. Perfect. Lastly, we're going to add another claw shaped brick atop, like so. And it's time for the fun part. We're going to attach those two together. I'm just checking the orientation, and indeed, let me check real quick. Push that in. Perfect. Nice. For step 40, we have another mini sub build. 2x2 gray plate. Interesting, unique, rounded off staircase shaped brick. Two of them as well. Then we have, to the opposite sides, the cousins of said bricks. same brick, just white color, with same shape. To the middle, we fill things up with this 2x4 white plate. And we're going to add that mini structure to the bottom of our build. Checking the orientation. Push that in. Perfect. Wow. As usual, we have some extra bits and pieces from pack 2. I'm going to put those back in the box. Let's see what the time is. Pack 2 complete. And indeed, we're going to continue in the next episode. So, I think this is I'm not sure if this is the torso of Buckbeak. Let's take a quick look. Or is it the wing? I think, yeah, it's the torso indeed. So this is going to be the neck area. But pack 2 of the Buckbeak Harry Potter set, SKU number 76427 is done. First 2 packs done. It's starting to take shape, and we have the glorious vegetation garden. I mean, look at that. It was such a joy and such a nice intro to the set to build this vegetation garden with the crow itself. Buckbeak, episode 1 complete. We're going to continue in the next video. We're still under an hour, which is relatively short for this channel. But in the next episode, we're going to do packs 3, 4, and potentially 5. So I think this is going to be a 3-episode series of the Buckbeak Harry Potter Lego set. So with that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I will catch you in the next video. And I wish you a very nice day. Goodbye.